Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1897 named Redistribute characters to make all string equal. In this problem, we are given an array of strings and in one operation, I can pick two distinct integers such that I and j, where word of I is a non-empty string and we can move any character from the word of I to any position in the word of j. And we have to return true if you can make every string in the given word list equal using any number of operation described above. Otherwise, we have to return false. Suppose in the first example, the word has three of the string, which is ABC, AABC, and BC. Now, if we shift one A from here to this BC, then it will become ABC. That's why all of these three words will become ABC. In this case, we have to return true. But in the second example, you can see that first string is AB, second string is A. So it is not possible to make all the string equal using the operations. So here we have to return false. Now, the constrainter, the word length can be in between 1 to 100, and each of the word can be in between 1 to 100. And the characters are the lowercase English letters. I hope you understood the problem statement as well as the constraint. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example. Here we can see that we are given three strings, which is ABC, AABC, and BC. Now, we can shift any character from one string to any characters or any positions to other strings. Suppose if in this problem, we shift this A to these positions, then it will become ABC. Now, this A become discarded. So here we can see that all of these three strings can become ABC, ABC, and ABC. So we can make all of them equal. In this case, we have to return true. So now the algorithm is how can we make this kind of operations, or how can we make the decisions such that we can make all of the string equal. Suppose, forget about this example. Suppose we have two strings. One is this, another is this, and we have one character A. Now we can make these two string equal by using this one character A if A available in both of the string, right? So here the frequency of A will be 2. Now, it is possible that the frequency of A in each of the string can become more than 1. So here, suppose A appears one time here also and here also. So here the total frequency of A is 4. But what if the frequency of A is 5? In those kind of cases, we have to simply add 1A here or add 1A here. Now, if I add 1A here, it is not possible for both of the strings to become equal, right? So, what is the basic intuition behind the solution of this problem? The basic intuition is for each character in the given input list, they should have the frequency which is multiple of the given input length. That means here the frequency of A is 2. So 2 should be multiplied by 2, or the remainder between 2 and 2 is 0. Now, if the frequency of A is 4, in those kind of cases, the remainder of 4 and 2 will be 0. But the frequency of A is 5. In those kind of cases, the remainder of 5 and 2 is 1. So here, it is not possible to make the strings equal. So the basic algorithm is very simple. We have to calculate all the frequency of the given input characters. Suppose here the frequency of A is 3, 1 is here and another 2 is here. And the frequency of B is also 3 and the frequency of C is also 3. So here we can say that the size of the list is equal to 3. So we can clearly understand that the modulus between the all of the 3 and 3 is 0. That means the frequency of each of the character is strictly divisible by the length of the input string. So as all of this remainder is 0, in this case, we have to return true. Otherwise, if for any of the character does not satisfy the remainder condition, that is, if the frequency of the specific character is not divisible by the input string length, then it is not possible to make all of the string equal. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we have taken a map. Now we have to calculate the frequency of each of the character in the given input. So here we are using this. Now we have to check whether all of the frequency of the character is divisible by the n or not. If it is not divisible by the n, that means we have to return false, otherwise we have to return true. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we have to iterate each of the input string, and the space complexity is also big O of n because we are using extra memories map to store the frequency. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.